With the temperatures finally catching up to this real estate market, warning, it's hot, really hot. The question then becomes, what exactly has been happening in the Chicagoland area over the first quarter? So stick around today as we dive into those numbers. Hi, I'm Jaketysiak, that guy that sells houses, a realtor here in Illinois, and today we're going to go through March's numbers in 2023 and do a little recap of how 2023 has started off. And today we're going to get looking at the real estate market, so let's take a look at our new listings to see exactly if inventory is returning or not. Now, when we look at our new listings, we saw just over 13,000 new listings come on the market across the entire Chicagoland area. Now, that was a nice little bump from our February numbers, which is traditional around this time of the season. However, that is down about 28% when we look back at March of 2022's numbers. Both Dupage County was down as well, a little bit heavier in Dupage County, 34% down, and Will County was down 23%. And of course, with all those new listings coming to the market, we did see 10,310 homes go under contract in the entire MLS in the month of March. That number is also down compared to last year, about 24% across the entire MLS. And that is to be expected because our inventory levels themselves are just so low right now. With close just to 14,400 homes available across the entire MLS, you can see that here in the Chicagoland area, our numbers are getting thin. Those numbers are down about 14% compared to last year, as well as Dupage County coming in a little bit lower. Will County actually is seeing a slight uptick, as we have reported last year. Those numbers were rock bottom last year, so that's not that unsurprising in Will County. Now, even though the amount of homes for sale have slowed down a little bit, our month supply of inventory has actually increased. So this is good news. About 15% across the entire MLS. Will County coming in big and strong with about 38% increase compared to last year. And when we look at those based on month to month, when we compare it back to February, you can see actually that they're staying level in all of the entire MLS, as well as DuPage County and Will County. So some good signs there. And this is sort of usually our low before we start ramping up throughout the spring and early summer months. Now, in regards to our market and that activity, how does that actually pertain to our sales price? And across the entire MLS, we saw $366,323 average sales price. And that is a 12-year average. So that number is actually just slightly down when we compare it back to February. This is sort of a newer trend for us. It's down about $600. And that's mostly because it is a yearly average. So when we're looking back through the last half of 2022, those numbers are starting to come into play a little bit. But as we progress through the year, I think we should just continue to see our trend upward. Now, DuPage also saw a slight decrease, about $2,000. And when you looked at Will County, again, they seem to have sort of corrected ship a little bit, and their price is up about $1,000, which is good signs. So as you can see, this market is not an easy one. So if you are looking at buying or selling a house and looking for an agent, or just want more information on the real estate market, feel free to give me a call. But if you just want more information and great videos, take a look at this one up here. I'm Jaketysiak with Keller. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you are having a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.